What's up, guys? Today is part 4 of the full wrap. Today we're gonna do the trunk. So sorry guys that I'm being a little bit busy because I have another project. This one. That one I already did the hood. This is the color I'm gonna wrap it in like a burgundy. The car. So I need to wash it first. You can see it. Color. Looks super cool. I get a lot of attention when I'm driving on the freeway and on the streets. But imagine when it's finished, the wrap. Okay, so I still have to do this side. And today we're gonna do the trunk. I'm gonna redo the spoiler because it's lifting. I'm gonna redo that on carbon. So first I'm gonna wash it and then do the trunk. Let's do it. Okay, now that the trunk is clean, I have to remove the tail lights, both of this, only this piece. Have to remove both of those. It has two screws, two lug nuts on the bottom of this. I have to remove the logo, the emblem, and I have to remove the spoiler. The spoiler has 3 lug nuts and 2 clips on the here and 1 clip here, okay, to remove it. And also it has a double-sided tape on the bottom. That one I'm gonna cut it with a blade, but be careful not to scratch when you are doing this. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Try to do it very careful, slow, and take your time and do not scratch the paint, okay? Okay, I already removed the spoiler. It's a little bit hard not to scratch it because it's very close to the paint. So if you want, you can put a masking tape next to the spoiler and then use the blade. That way you will not scratch the paint, but it's super hard not to scratch it. But mine is gonna be covered by the wrap. Okay, one more thing. This one I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do it in one piece because this material is okay to do it in one piece. But if you are doing like chrome wrap, you have to do it in 2 pieces. One piece from here to here and the one to here, from here to here, because in this area you're gonna get a lot of wrinkles. So that way you have to do it in 2 pieces if you are doing chrome. But in this material is okay because I can heat it up and stretch in this area. Okay, let's do the wrap for this part.
One step back with just excuses made to not change. You say I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces because the wrap color started fading in this area, so I'm gonna do it in 2 pieces.
Closer and closer, I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good. Feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you.
Okay, now the trunk is ready. I'm gonna put the spoiler and rewrap it on a carbon. Okay, that's how it looks. Okay, guys, here's how it looks, the trunk. Let me show you how it looks with the full wrap. So, right now it's hard to see the way it's gonna look because it's not finished, but you can get an idea how it's gonna look. You can see the details. This one is very easy, it's not that hard. So the hardest part is to remove the spoiler. Takes time, but it's not that hard. So the double side 3M tape, cut it, and that's it. Okay. guys, let me know what you guys think about the trunk. It's very easy. So if you like the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe. And see you on the next video.